Hello class, and welcome back to another episode of debugging. Uh, we're still on chapter 2, so let's go ahead and see what we can do without running the program first. So I see quite a few different things. So hours as a string. Up here, the variables have capital letters in the next word. Here they don't, so we need to change that, make sure that's right, as a string. Um, hours as string. That's too many ends, take one out. That has too many ends, take one out. Okay, so far so good. We need a semicolon at the end of this line. And net to string. The name net to string does not exist. So that would be, let's see, net. And then we need net dot to string. Okay, because that's going for this variable and it's changing it into string information. So that should be good as far as syntax. It should run. Let's check the logic now. Enter the numbers of hours you worked this week. I don't like doing math, so I'm going to make it easy. 10. Enter the hourly rate. Again, 10. You work 10 hours, $10 per hour. Gross pay is 20. Withholding is that. So something's wrong with my gross pay. I need to fix the logic error here. So where is my gross pay? Gross equals hours plus rate. No. That needs to be hours times multiplied by rate. We can run that again. Let's do 10 hours, 10. Okay, so we have gross pay is 100, withholding is 1,000, and net pay is 1,500. So something is not right with our logic still. So let's take it a little bit slowly, figure out what all is going on. So we are trying to figure out, we have our gross, and withholding equals gross multiplied with withholding rate. So what is withholding rate? That's 15. That needs to be 15%. That is a whole 15. So we need to set that at 0.015. That should help out. Ten. There, well, let's see, 10 times 10 is 100. Net pay is 150. So something's off with our net pay as well. So net equals gross times withholding? No. Gross minus withholding. So let's run that. 10. There we go. That makes a lot more sense. That's a lot better. So this lesson that they're teaching us in this debugging is even though the program can run, if your logic is not right, if you use the wrong symbols, if you use the wrong processes, even though the program runs, it will not be correct unless your logic is correct too. All right, let me know if you have any questions, and we will see you in the next video.